Hi, today we are going to add a flat shirt over our model. So let's get started. Remove the t-shirt background and place it over model to fit in size. Separate the arm for later use. Adjust the shirt carefully. Use a layer mask and remove extra areas of the shirt. Now place the arm and adjust accordingly. Add some shadow to the lower part of the arms to give some depth. This is not going to look 100% realistic because it was flat. But it is better than before. At least you can view how it will look when someone wears it.